You.
What are you?
That could actually.
What are you wearing?
Tell us what your costume is. What are you dressed up like?
I need to get one more thing.
One more thing?
I'm a guard superhero guy.
You're a guard superhero arrow guy?
Yeah, guard superhero guy. But what about the crown? Okay.
But he's also the king of the guard superhero arrow guys.
Okay. Guard superhero.